Sorry.
I'm so
Sorry
happy.
it took you so long to
I'm
change your...
so happy.
I have
you
so many
came.
cars that I have to fix every day. So many people don't understand about
You're
the cars
such a
that I hear.
professional, I
Thank
see.
you. Thank you.
What is that light for that you carry on your
Sometimes
hat?
at night, you know, I can't see.
Oh, you even fix cars at night?
Yeah, people don't know.
Oh, then
They
I'm
don't know.
calling the right person, right? I feel so happy that I called you.
I brought everything.
Oh, you're ready. What is
Your
that?
fleece? Oh, well, there was nothing wrong with your air conditioning?
No, I didn't
Oh.
mention what was wrong with my
Oh,
car.
oh,
Did you
wrong.
just assume that was
No, wrong
what
call,
I
wrong
needed?
call, wrong call.
Oh, okay.
Do you need a
Well,
wash
can you
too?
open?
To wash me?
No, I do not need a car wash.
Oh,
No,
I thought that was...
aren't you
I
supposed
didn't
to?
bring my right tools then.
Hello, what?
Okay, no, what is no,
I'm just confused. Aren't you supposed to first look at my car
Yes.
and then kind of tell me what's wrong? Is everything
Give me a
okay?
second. Okay.
Do you not even know how to open the hood?
Hold on.
It's professional.
Sorry.
I think that is dangerous.
Let
the way
me just
you're doing
turn
it
on my
there.
light right here. Oh no, this car. No.
What is wrong with my car?
Everything. Everything. We need to change the transmitter.
Transmitter? Ah, I've never heard of that word.
The
in my
battery.
life.
The batteries.
That's something new for
The
me.
two batteries.
Transmitter? Oh.
It needs a engine change.
Engine.
Engine change.
Oh.
Because it exchanges too much oil
Oh,
to the
and it's changing
transmission.
too much oil.
And that's why.
How expensive is
You know,
that? Oh
don't
my
worry.
God.
I'll take
No,
care of you.
no.
I'll take care of you.
I can barely.
I-
My check's
I-
not even coming till the mid
Give me a second.
October.
Can you hear the noise? Turn it on for me, please. Oh, it doesn't turn on. Oh.
Yeah, this
Try to
is
turn it
not-
on, please. Try
Okay,
to
let
turn
me
it on. I'll see what's going on here.
Turning on.
Try to turn it on, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not turning on, sir.
Okay, no worries. Just come back. So, it's easy fix.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
How much money will I
1,500.
need? How much?
1,500. 1,500.
An oil
Yes.
change?
No.
Oh,
it needs
you
more than
said-
an oil change. It needs a transmitter, a battery,
Transmitter.
and it doesn't.
Oh wow.
know, it doesn't-
So it starts at 1,500.
Yeah. It could go up to 5,000. It depends.
Oh my God.
Because I have to take it to my
But you're
to the
probably gonna
place.
be cheaper than a real
Oh,
mechanic dealer.
oh
So
yeah,
I
they'll
gotta
take
go
advantage
with you
of you
instead
if
of
you
like,
go. Yes, I'm a family.
if I go to a
I've been doing
fancy
this for the
place
family
where they-
forever. I've been.
they
yeah.
always rip us off. At the
Yes,
big
but
fancy
not me.
places.
New
Yeah.
transmission, everything for
Okay.
5,000.
I trust you.
Yes.
Okay, we got a deal.